In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a pie chart to a bar chart in Google Forms. This is a straightforward process, but one that's incredibly useful if you're looking to present your data in a way that might offer better insight or just fits your needs more effectively. Understanding how to modify these charts allows you to better analyze and present the results from the survey questions you're working with. Firstly, you'll want to start by opening Google Forms and accessing the form where your pie chart is currently located. This is the same section where you've previously created your survey questions and gathered data. Once you have your form open, navigate to the Responses section. This is where all the collected data from your respondents is stored. If you've worked with Google Forms before, this will be familiar territory. Here, you will see various tabs that allow you to view your responses in different formats. In the Responses section, find the subsection labeled Summary. This is typically the first tab under Responses and gives you an overview of the collected data. Here, you'll find the pie chart that you are looking to change. It's important to remember that the charts generated by Google Forms visually represent the data in an easy-to-understand format, but sometimes a bar chart can provide a clearer picture, especially when you have multiple similar categories you want to compare side by side. Now, to change the pie chart into a bar chart, hover over the existing pie chart. You'll notice an icon that allows for more chart options or settings. Click on this icon to reveal the chart editing options. Among the options, you should see choices to switch between various types of graph formats, such as bar, line, or even different styles of pie charts. Select the option for the bar chart. If you don't immediately see the bar chart option, you might need to look for a more expansive menu or a drop-down list that contains additional choices. Once you select the bar chart option, your data will automatically update visually in the new format. You should see the categories along one axis and the values or percentage distribution across the other. Why choose a bar chart, you might ask? Well, bar charts are particularly effective for comparing quantities across different groups or categories. They can make it easier for viewers to differentiate between elements and see trends at a glance. This could be particularly useful if your survey results are marketing data, employee feedback, or other similar types of information where clarity is key. That's it. You've successfully changed your pie chart into a bar chart in Google Forms. Remember, the ability to switch between different visual presentations can make a big difference in how information is perceived and understood. So make sure to choose the chart type that best suits the message you wish to convey. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and guides like this one.